Hello, beautiful people! Welcome to Talk, Learn, Teach, your favorite space for learning English with heart and soul. I'm Maya.
And I'm Ben. It feels amazing to be here with all of you today.
Ben, your energy is contagious. Before we dive into today's incredible journey, lovely viewers, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. We create content like this every week to make your English learning journey smooth and enjoyable.
Absolutely. And if you love what we do, share this video with your friends, family, or anyone who dreams of speaking English confidently. It truly means the world to us.
Now, Ben, I have to ask, have you ever felt that mix of excitement and nervousness when traveling to a new country?
Oh my goodness, yes. My heart races, my palms get sweaty, and I keep checking my passport like 100 times.
I totally get that. You know what? That's exactly what we're exploring today. Navigating an airport in English. From check-in to boarding, we've got you covered.
What a brilliant topic. Airports can be overwhelming, especially when English isn't your first language.
Exactly. So let's walk through this together, step by step, making it feel less scary and more exciting. Are you ready?
Born ready. So imagine this. I arrive at the airport. Big building, lots of people, signs everywhere. Where do I even start?
Great question. First, you look for signs that say departures or check-in. These guide you to the right area. You'll see long counters with airline logos.
Okay, I find my airline counter. Now what? Do I just stand there looking confused?
No. You join the queue, that's the line of people waiting. When it's your turn, you approach the desk with your passport and booking confirmation ready.
I'm walking up now. The agent smiles at me. What do they say?
They'll likely greet you warmly and ask, "Good morning, may I see your passport and ticket, please?"
Good morning. May I see your passport and ticket, please? And I hand them over and say,
Simply say, "Here you are," or, "Of course, here you go." Keep it friendly and natural.
that's so simple. Okay, the agent is checking my documents. What comes next?
They might ask, "Are you checking any bags today?" This means, do you have luggage to put in the airplane's cargo hold?
So if I have a suitcase, I say, yes, I have one bag to check, or yes, I have two bags to check.
Perfect. And if you only have carry-on luggage, that small bag you keep with you, you say, "No, just carry-on."
This is making so much sense. What if my suitcase is really heavy? Should I worry?
Good point. If your bag is too heavy, the agent will say, "I'm sorry, your bag is over the weight limit. There will be an extra fee."
Oh no, an extra fee? How do I respond to that?
You can ask politely, "How much is the fee?" and then decide if you want to pay it or remove some items from your bag.
That's helpful to know. Okay, my bag is checked. What's the next step?
The agent will hand you your boarding pass and say something like, "Your gate is B7 and boarding begins at 10:45. Have a wonderful flight."
Boarding pass in hand. I feel like a real traveler now. But wait, what's a gate?
Great question. The gate is where you wait before entering the airplane. Think of it as the final waiting area before your flight.
Got it. So I need to find gate B7. But first, I'm guessing there's security.
Yes, you're learning fast. Security is where they check that you're not carrying anything dangerous. You'll see signs saying security checkpoint.
What happens at security? I've seen those trays and scanning machines in movies.
You'll place your bags, jacket, belt, phone, and any metal items into those plastic trays. Then you walk through a metal detector while your belongings go through an X-ray machine.
That sounds intense. What if the alarm beeps when I walk through?
Don't panic. It happens sometimes. The security officer will politely ask you to step aside and may use a handheld scanner or ask if you have anything metal in your pockets.
Okay, I can do this. Just stay calm and cooperate. What do I say to them?
Just be polite and follow instructions. If they ask, "Do you have any liquids?" you can say, "Yes, I have a small water bottle," or "No, I don't."
Everyone is just trying to keep us safe. I appreciate that. All right, I've made it through security. Now what?
Now you're in the departure area. This is where you'll find shops, restaurants, and those comfortable waiting seats. Check your boarding pass for your gate number.
Gate B7, right? How do I find it?
Follow the signs overhead. They'll say things like gates A1 through A10 with arrows. Just follow the arrows to your gate section.
I'm following arrows like a treasure hunt. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Can I grab food before my flight?
Absolutely. You have time before boarding. You can say to the server, "Could I have a sandwich and coffee to go, please?"
To go means I'll take it with me, right?
Exactly. You're getting this. Now let's say you're at your gate, sitting comfortably. What announcement might you hear?
Oh, I want to know this. Airports always have those announcements that sound important.
In announcement voice, "Good morning, passengers. Flight 237 to London will begin boarding in 15 minutes. Please have your boarding pass and passport ready."
That's my flight. My heart is racing. What do I do?
Take a deep breath. Listen carefully for more announcements. They usually call passengers by groups. We now invite passengers in Group 1 to board.
What if I'm in group 3? Do I rush to the line?
Don't stress. Stay seated. Wait until they call your group. When they announce, "We now welcome Group 3, then you can join the queue.
Patience is key. Okay, my group is called. I walk up to the gate agent. What happens?
The agent will scan your boarding pass and say, "Have a great flight." You smile and say, "Thank you." Then you walk down the jet bridge. That's the tunnel connecting the gate to the airplane.
Jet bridge, what a cool term. I'm on the plane now looking for my seat. It says 12A on my boarding pass.
The letters are columns and the numbers are rows. 12A means row 12, seat A, usually a window seat. A flight attendant might help you if you look confused.
Window seat, I love it. What if I need to put my bag in the overhead bin? Is that what it's called?
Yes, overhead compartment or overhead bin. You can ask a flight attendant, "Excuse me, could you help me with my bag, please?"
Everyone is so helpful when you ask politely. That's the magic of good communication.
Absolutely. And remember, airport staff deal with travelers from all over the world every day. They're patient and used to helping people who are learning English.
That's so comforting to hear. Don't be afraid to ask for help or clarification.
Exactly. If you don't understand something, just say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you speak a bit slower, please?"
We're all human. People appreciate when you're trying your best.
Well said, Ben. I think we've given everyone a complete airport survival guide today.
I feel ready to travel the world now. What about you, Maya? Do you have any funny airport stories?
Oh, so many. Once I got to the gate and realized I was at the wrong airport terminal. I had to run like crazy.
No way. Did you make it?
Barely. Laughing, I learned to always double-check the terminal and gate information.
That's a lesson learned the hard way. These real experiences make learning so much more meaningful.
They really do, and that's what we're all about here at Talk, Learn, Teach. Real conversations, real situations, real confidence.
Beautiful people watching this, you now have the tools to navigate any airport with confidence. Practice these phrases at home, maybe with a friend or family member.
Yes, create your own role-play scenarios. One person is the check-in agent, the other is the passenger. Make it fun.
And remember, mistakes are just stepping stones to success. Every time you practice, you get better.
That's such an inspiring way to put it, Ben.
Well, my friend, I think we've covered everything beautifully today. Time to wrap up?
I suppose so. But before we go, dear viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to Talk, Learn, Teach if you haven't already. Your support helps us create more content like this.
And we would absolutely love to hear from you. Drop a comment below telling us, have you ever traveled internationally? What was your airport experience like? Or if you haven't yet, where do you dream of going?
Yes, share your stories, your dreams, your questions. We read every single comment and they inspire our future videos.
You know, not just viewers to us, you're our learning family. We grow together, we learn together.
Beautifully said. Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and keep shining.
Safe travels, everyone, whether you're flying across the world or just dreaming about it from your couch.
Goodbye from Talk, Learn, Teach. See you in the next adventure.